doing for Mr. Hat, Mr. Top of Hat? Hey, how you doing? How you doing, Mr. Top of Hat? I will be there soon. Here's your delivery, Mr. Top of Hat. Thank you. Welcome. I want to deliver this stove. I will carry it to up top right there. Oh, it's gonna explode! No! He does. Follow me. There's a train. The train's right here. No. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Let's go to that first station. I got follow the train. No. I'll go up to the bridge. Uh-oh. Now see what's problem.
Zachary, 30 seconds.
Woohoo! Hey, don't be, you come to plane.
Say the end.